welcome back. 2026 has started. Um, as in the game. Um, Innswood just joined our club, which is great. So we do have an extra CDM at this point. I terminated the loan of a Igor, because he was unhappy. We already had an email that they weren't happy. So I thought, you know what? It's better to just leave. We could keep him, but that would not be beneficial for either parties. So we have to go look for an extra central defender, which is not really convenient at this point, but we will have to. A centre back, a centre back, a centre back, a centre back, centre back. Centre back that is not as good as the others. So put him in shortlist. And maybe we will go and look for him. Balvini could also be a call. Vuskovic, Sepp, Dutchman, Herzog, Brandweight. But I think he would have a could also play. Proper link, left back. Right. Delegate to buy. 7.1 is what they want for him. At least that's what Scoutman says. Let's see what we can do against Wolves, who are currently 19th. We win. Tell and Guerra, which is good. So another 2 goals. Onto the so interest in Bahoya. Job opportunity, Borussia Dortmund. Ui. Atletico Madrid. Add to watch. That could be a Paris FC. That could also be good. But I am not doing any of those yet. Lewis Kelly need more games. I understand completely. I really do. But then I would have to change my system. Because our midfielders are doing pretty well at this point. At the offer, delegate. So I almost bought an entire team. See, I need 4-4-2. Destroy Larsson or Kamara. You know what? He's going to. Larsson is going to play on Kamara position. And there comes Lewis Skelly. Two. Madsen and Tell for us. Too bad. Emirates Cup against Brighton. Okay. Let's do the old midfield again. We win 2-4. Malero, tell, and tell. Could you tell? That's a lousy joke. Okay, raw update for Guerra, because he will stay for sure in that defensive midfielder position. The only thing that I could change is get someone else on the midfield. That's an F. Okay, doesn't matter. Doesn't matter. I needed a central defender, and I didn't want to scout all the way until there's already an offer for him. 2-year loan. Yeah, sure. Go ahead. Then I can keep him happy. And if it's needed, I can just call him back immediately. This is a good construction. Wonderful. Okay, match day against Spurs. We're currently third. And we draw again. Tell and Diomande. It's terrible. Okay, I need more games against Todibo. Sorry, mate, you're still in the squad. Stop whining. He's loaned out, and we got prize money, which is not that much, but it's enough. Explore job markets. Liverpool. Current manager has a stable position. Who doesn't then? All of them have a stable. Oh, wow. From 16th till 16 and 17, we can, yeah, sure. You can come to us. But 18 says, nah, we're good. We're 18th. We don't need a new manager. Okay, let's check other. Atletico Madrid. I can apply for job. Robotis. Girona. This is not that much. Al Nassr. Liga Portugal. Yeah. Sporting and Porto. Braga maybe. Yeah. Eredivisie. All are pretty safe. Oh, I can go to Groningen. Inter, Juventus, AC Milan, Napoli, Lazio, AS Roma, Atalanta, Como. Where, where, where did Fabregas go to? Vincent Company. The number 3. I can go to the number 3 of Germany. Wait, and number 5. Okay. Wait. What? Where is Paris FC? Jeez, they're 13th. Right. You know what? I'm just happy here. I'm just happy here with being. Where is our? Oh, here. With being 8th in the Premier League, biggest league of the world. I'm happy to be on P8. I'm not happy to be on P8, but I'm happy to be here on this position. That is what I wanted to say. Okay, an offer for Diouf. Reject. France. Ghana. I can go to Ghana. I'm not... International job offer reject. I'm sorry. I'm really sorry. De Paula. Again. He still needs to be a sweeper keeper. Oh, Goddard. Right midfielder. Oh, wow. He could be... Shooting. Inside forward. Passing. Crossing needs to be better. Right. Insuit is back up, but I think he could play a game or two. Match day. Let's just change that. Change tactics. I'm going to play 4-3-3. Counter-attack. Yeah. Counter. Save changes. What? Right, Molero gets there. There goes Lewis Skelly. Insuit goes there for him. Player roles. Counter attack with ball. Right. A white playmaker. Right. He gets the roam. Full attack. Build up. Holding is box to box. Okay. That. Box crasher. White half. Center half. Holding is ball winning. He is just wing back. Larsson is playmaker and roaming as well. Right, I think that be a winning tactic. 1-1 again. Brilliant. Right. New message from Hinselwood. Keep working, improve your game. 2. Scout reports. Dutch centre backs. Reject. 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 Almost. Reject. Finally one. Sign. Eaters. And a Portuguese winger. They all can reach. Brilliant. Okay. That was not so good. Next up is the game against Chelsea. And we've got another English scout. This one can be rejected. Reject. Wes Rigby. Sign him. Elliot Garrett. sign him. Checked him. Right. So we've added 3 players to the academy. Balanced. Calvin Peters. I think I will make him a central defender. That is what I was that costs 7 weeks. Okay, I'm not going to do that right now. Wide half, yeah, sure. Goddard Rigby is going to be a wide playmaker. Garrett is going to be a inside forward. Okay. Okay, so we are focusing a bit on the youth academy because I want to add more depth into the team, and we win. Where with 2 goals. Brilliant. Okay. New message from Lewis Skelly. Just in the Kuiper. Maybe something happens still, but I'm not going to wait on it. I'm going to skip deadline day. Raw update for Hernandez already, which is great. Now he's 50 rated. Okay. That was it for this week. I hope you enjoyed it. Leave a like if you did. Don't forget to subscribe, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye.